Like I said, I think you want to get that out in the open and make sure that people aren't still worried about safety whenever it's not even a conversation point, or the price of the repair. You can support a weak floor either by putting a post directly under the low point, or you reinforce it horizontally with a beam, and then the supports are in more convenient areas, like in walls and stuff. That they think it's 50 or 100,000. We don't know the solution, but we're in the $5,000 zone. If there can be a problem with the foundation that has been fixed, has been reinforced, there can be permits, there can be engineering letters, there can be pages of documentation that zipped up, perfect, everything is fine. Like plumbers, sometimes running plumbing between the joists is very complicated to get it through the house, and instead they go right through the joist. And it's wrong, but doing it the right way could be thousands and thousands of dollars. Cracks that go above ground on the outside of the house, the water doesn't come in there. It gets in the soil holds it up and the ground gets wet, and then it moves horizontally through the crack. So any foundation crack that goes below ground is 100% a water concern. The question is it a structural concern?